Hey, are you looking to get high quality backlinks for your website and clients? Follow me along in this weekly series where I show you how to build high authority backlinks, many of which are do follow, indexable, and crawlable by Google. And this week, I show you how to get a backlink on DocHub.com. Thanks for joining me on this edition of the podcast. I'm your host, Jason Brown, the co founder of SERPWoo and inventor of SERP tracking. Now let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let me switch screens here. And what you should be seeing is DocHub.com. It's real easy to get to. You can look at the screen to get the correct spelling. But once you've actually gotten to this website, you want to come up to the upper right-hand corner right here where it says sign up, where it's getting a little bit cut off here. Now, when you sign up, you are going to have to put in your email, password, and a reCAPTCHA, and then hit the sign up button. Now, you will have to use a legit email address. You will have to verify this email, so don't use a burner or one that's not monitored. And then once you've actually signed up, let me show you what it looks like. Since I've already made a profile, let me log in and show you what that looks like. Give me 1 second. When you log in, you're going to have a screen that looks very similar to mine. I've already created a few documents. That's one thing to keep in mind about this particular website compared to websites where we've dropped a link in our past weekly series. For this, you're going to be actually uploading documents. You're not going to be filling out a field that says website. You're not going to be creating a document on the fly like you would with GitHub. But before I show you how to drop the backlink, if you've never dropped a link on DocHub before, please take a moment to hit the like button and comment below if you've never thought about or have dropped a link on DocHub before, so that I know who is participating, who's done this before, who has learned something new. It'll definitely help, I'll admit that, but go ahead and hit the like button and comment below if you have or have not. Now back to the backlink. But what you're going to be doing is uploading a document. Again, the name of the website is DocHub, and that document actually has your link in it. So the way that you would do this is actually you would want to create a Word document first. Now, you might be able to create other documents. I'm not actually sure if that's going to work, but I used Microsoft Word. And essentially all I did in Microsoft Word here is I just typed in Google 5 and just made this a hyperlink. So whatever you type in Microsoft Word, you can just go to hyperlink and we'll edit it. But you can see I've got Google 89. Let me get that in picture there. Google 89 is the address. I'm going to hit OK. And then you would just save this like into your documents folder on your computer. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to create a new document right here in green. And now my owner account name is Google 5 on this particular account. But yes, it's going to be a document. You're going to want to set this to public. That way the public can get to the URL. And then what you're going to do, it might be a little hard to see, is you're going to go to upload right here. Or if you've got it open, you can just drag your file over. And I'm going to select right here this document. And it's going to ask you for verification. Now, I know that this is probably slightly hard to see here, but basically you either have to verify an account by creating a DocHub Pro or adding phone verification. You don't have to do either one of these. Actually, right below these buttons, I know it's a little hard because of the resolution on my screen. I'm not able to scroll down because of this modal box, but right under both these buttons is actually a reCAPTCHA that you can select that says, I am not a robot. So you do not have to get a DocHub Pro account. You do not have to add your phone number. You're going to have to trust me on this because you can't see it on the screen. But if you select the I'm not a robot reCAPTCHA, it's going to say it's verified. Now, you're going to have to re-upload this. So I'm going to just re-upload. And now it's going to process. I might get an error because I've already uploaded this before, but this is the document here. Here is the anchor and the text. This is the public URL right here. and you're basically good to go, guys. From this point forward, this is a public document on the internet. If I want to to get back to where I was, here it is right here. This was the most recent one I just uploaded at 5:34 p.m. So that's how you can make these links. Yep, that's it. It's as simple as that. If you thought this was interesting, if this was a new backlink for you, if you had never came across this, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead, subscribe, and comment also. Tell me what you liked, what you didn't like in the comments. But again, if this was something new to you and you learned something from it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe and make a comment. And then that way you'll be notified the next time I drop another backlink next week to another high authoritative domain that's going to be potentially do follow. It is going to be indexable and crawlable by Google, and you'll be one of the first ones to know about it because you did interact with us. So go ahead and have a great rest of your week, and I'll catch you next week with another high quality backlink. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.